Welcome to Somesh Travel World. Today, we are exploring the luxurious and serene Munnar Tea County Resort, a perfect blend of nature and comfort. Let's embark on this journey together. Munnar Tea County Resorts, also known simply as Tea County Munnar, is a premium resort located in the picturesque hill station of Munnar in Kerala, India. Here are some details about the resort. It is situated amidst lush green hills and tea plantations, offering a serene and tranquil environment. Nestled in the heart of Munnar's lush tea plantations, the Munnar Tea County Resort offers a tranquil escape with stunning views, top-notch amenities, and warm hospitality. The check-in process is smooth and welcoming. The staff here ensures you feel right at home from the moment you step in. The reception area is beautifully designed, blending modern aesthetics with traditional Kerala elements. The resort offers various types of rooms and suites, including deluxe rooms, premium rooms, and luxury cottages. The resort is spread over 5 acres and is located in heart of Munnar town and so easy to plan your visit to local attractions. There are 67 rooms in total with executive 20 rooms, premium 34 rooms, royal premium 8 rooms, superior 4 rooms, royal suite 1 room. Rooms are equipped with modern amenities like free Wi-Fi, TV, minibar, tea, coffee maker, and more. The bathrooms are clean, hygienic, offers all type of complimentary bathroom amenities like soap, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, shower cap, shaving kit, dental kit. The rooms at Munnar Tea County Resort are spacious and well appointed, offering a perfect mix of luxury and comfort. Each room features large windows that provide breathtaking views of the surrounding tea gardens. This amazing balcony where you can enjoy your morning tea with a view. Pricing for rooms at resorts like Tea County Munnar can vary based on the season, demand, and any ongoing promotions. However, here is a general idea of what you might expect to pay. The resort offers a range of amenities to enhance your stay. Whether you're looking to relax or stay active, there's something for everyone. The resort spa offers a variety of treatments designed to rejuvenate your body and mind. Indulge in a soothing massage or a refreshing facial. For those who like to stay active, the resort has a well-equipped gym with all the modern facilities. Dining at Munnar Tea County Resort is a delightful experience. The in-house restaurant serves a variety of cuisines, prepared with the freshest ingredients. The in-house multi-cuisine restaurant serves a variety of dishes, including traditional Kerala cuisine, Indian, and continental dishes. Complimentary breakfast includes fresh juice, coffee and tea, breakfast cereals, fresh fruits, vada, idli sambar and varieties of chutney, dosa and upma. You can also try Kerala breakfast items like puttu kadala curry. The food here is incredible. They offer everything from traditional Kerala dishes to continental favorites. There is live egg omelette counter. In evening, you can relax yourself with beer and wine. There is also a well-stocked bar offering a selection of beverages. The prices of beer and wine are very reasonable and affordable. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Munnar Tea County Resort. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Somesh Travel World for more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.